Hey everybody, I have 2013 BMW 328 and we are replacing this screen. As you see, it's broken, so something inside the screen. So I will show you how to easily replace this screen yourself and save money. And get the plastic pry bar and start by removing this panel, silver panel over the air vents. So once you remove it, just hang it down and you have to disconnect any power connections. As you finish with that, you will see two Torx T20 Torx screws on the left and the right side. Get the extension as well. And when you will be removing those screws, do it by your hand because they may fall down and you would never find them. So as you finish that part, I will show you how to remove the screen itself. So once you finish with removing screws, grab the screen and pull it up gently. And then you will see there's only one cable going to the screen. So just grab the cable and pull it up gently as well. So that way it will be more playroom to remove the connection and the screen itself. So once you did that, just turn it as you see on the video and you will be able to start by removing the connection. On the connection there's only one pin you need to press and pull the connection out. So once you've done that, get the screen away and start placing new one back. So now replace the connection. Make sure you hear the click. That means it's installed correctly. And once you've done that, just turn it and push it back. So now we're gonna check if it's working. So I just started the car and I can see the BMW logo. So that means the screen is working correctly. And just checking everything up to make sure everything is working. So everything is working correctly, and now we are ready to install screws back. Get those Torx screws, replace them, and start by install the panel over the air vents. So everything's installed, everything's working, so you can do it yourself, save some money. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.